Hey there, my name is Ken. Today in this video, I'm gonna go over the XiaoPeng or XiaoPeng, better known as XPeng. We'll review why is there so much noise about the company and stock, what is the disruptive in its electric vehicles, and why should you consider buying its shares. As always, just make a quick trade of the like button and invest in subscription to the channel for more useful content. You can also buy me a coffee, the link is down in the description. Recently, Deutsche Bank said that shares of electric vehicle maker XPeng are a buy, but this is not connected to the rising electric vehicle sales in China as you might guess, rather it's for the companies advancing autonomous vehicle or AV technology. Autonomous vehicle is set to become the electric vehicle in 2021, Deutsche Bank analyst Edison Yu declared in his note. Let's take a quick look at the performance of EV stocks. If we look the past year's results, we can see just how strong an endorsement Mr. Yu's call really is. Market leader Tesla has seen its stock surge nearly 640% in the past 12 months, while shares of Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO have rocketed more than 1000%. The analyst put XPeng stock in his catalyst buy list. The main reason because of the company's investments in self-driving capabilities. If you know, Deutsche Bank uses the catalyst buy call when its analysts believe a stock will rise soon. XPeng stock is already up 164% over the past 3 months, but Mr. Yu says the stock will keep rising following positive media and investor feedback from the test drives of XPeng's new Level 3 functionality. Let me explain what these levels mean. Level 3 is in the middle of 5 levels of autonomous driving. Level 0 means that there is no driver assistance technology at all. Level 5 means drivers don't have to do anything at all, and a human driver isn't needed. Level 3 is conditional autonomy. It means that the driver isn't required to monitor the driving environment, but needs to be ready to take back control of the vehicle at any time. XPeng recently revealed details regarding its navigation-guided pilot, which will be part of the driver assistance feature package the company calls XPilot 3.0. The company currently offers XPilot 2.5 on its cars. Deutsche Bank's Mr. Yu believes that XPilot 3.0 will be recognized as the best autonomous driving feature available. He added that the system has been tuned to work in adverse weather conditions, complex roads, and without GPS signal. The analyst is bullish over the long term as well and rates XPeng shares at a $58 price target. If we look at a competitive landscape, other automakers are talking about autonomous vehicles as well, partly because of the success of automakers such as XPeng in the market, while consumers are starting to associate the AV functionality with the top auto brands. Recently, General Motors Cruise autonomous driving company took in a $2 billion investments from Microsoft and others. GM stock rose almost 10% that day. Another Chinese electric vehicle company, NIO, also reviewed its autonomous driving technology at the company's 4th annual NIO Day earlier in January 2021. And Tesla is testing a beta version of its full self-driving software this past year. It seems like high levels of autonomous driving technologies are hitting the roads, not just being talked about in boardrooms. And if you are interested and bullish about the autonomous vehicle topic, there are actually more ways to play this trend, and I will be telling you right now. There are new laser-based radar or LiDAR stocks, which include Veoneer and Luminar technologies. These LiDAR sensors are used by many automakers to facilitate autonomous driving, and other companies such as Aptiv integrate all the sensors and link them to a car's central processing unit. That's it. I hope useful for you guys. Drop a comment whether you are going to buy this stock or not. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.